Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're listening. Welcome back. Today is our day 68. Yupu, kudos to you guys. You are always there with me. It feels so honored, feels so proud, feels so motivated, feels so inspired, and I'm sure you guys are also feeling the same. And I'm sure my all my videos have been so inspiring, so motivating, and you guys are taking the full advantage of it, and you are seeing the difference now. And I think as we last week we were on that commitment that we will only focus upon the good things, we will put our energy into the end goal. And guys, I'm sure you would have seen the results of it. If not, continue for next one more week and see the results. I'm committed to it, guys, and I'm sure you guys would also see the benefit of those commitments. Certainly, I think the change is important, but once you are committed to that change, look around. And as we've been talking, that this journey is still Disney World. We have to go to the paradise. We will not stop till we get to the paradise. So believe in that change, that this change is going to be good for you. You are the creator. You have that powers. Don't give it up, guys. Don't leave it midway and go back. No, this is the time when we have to full throttle, put the pedal on the gas and just make it full throttle, guys, and see the beauty of this life, guys. Nothing is stopping. There is nothing which is deprived, or God has made something that okay, only these things are for this people and for that thing for. No, God has given everything for everybody. Take an example, sun outside. When it comes out, it doesn't say that he will only give this much of sunlight to this group of people or this much of sunlight to another group of people. He just opens up and everyone enjoys that sunlight. Same goes with the sky, same goes with our nature. They have never put any boundaries or anything restrictions. Everybody has that right to use that nature. So guys, same ways, all your desires, all your dreams are all existence, and they are in this world, they are existing. It's just that you have to put your focus and direction, and they will be coming skyrocketing to you. So don't lose your focus, don't put your energy into the problems, put your energy into the solution, put your energy into the end goal, and see, guys, that's how the life is. The life is meant to be enjoyed, life is meant to be cherished. So guys, have that notion, yes, I can do it and I will do it. No more questions, that's it. I can, I will, no questions asked, done. Do, and go behind your goals, go behind your dreams, and see that everything is possible in this world, guys. Don't go let off, don't let your dreams because of other people uh, letting you down. Leave them. People, other people doesn't matter to you. Your family, you yourself, just think that whatever your goals are, just behave that you already are into that goal, you already have that, and be that person, be that personality, and see the difference, guys. That's how the life has to be. Life has to be lived, and enjoy in full force, and believe in that almighty. He's there with us always. He's there in every moment, every second. Not even when we are aware, he's still with us, guys. So that's the faith, that's the commitment, that's the dedication, that's the trust. And once you surrender to almighty, he will take you, he will carry you along with all the ways, and you will get what you desire, guys. So I'm sure, guys, uh, if you want to continue that 1 week more challenge, go ahead and do it. Don't let anything stop you, guys, and focus your energy on your solution, not on the problems, and always on the end goal, what you desire, what you dream, and see the life coming skyrocketing to you, guys. And as always, guys, it's always a pleasure and an honor to come and talk to you. And your motivation, your feedback, your inputs as always welcome, and those who are sharing it, I really appreciate that. And you guys are joy magnets, as we have been talking across. So carry that persona with you and have that power. You have that power. Whosoever come and touches you is joyful. Whoever you touch is also joyful. So guys, that's what the power of magnet is, that you are spreading that happiness, you are spreading that joyness, and you are seeing the difference, guys. So thank you so much for being in this army of joy magnet and spreading that happiness. I'm always there to empower you, to broaden your vision, and just keep on just sticking to the basics. Just sticks what I've been talking across in last many of my videos, and I'm sure every video will give you one thing which you can pick it up and you can do it. So thank you so much guys, as always, and look forward to speak to you tomorrow again. And till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Ciao.